How you feeling?
So?
You out there ripping in the mud? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty out. Splashes.
That big one over there, what?
You out there ripping in the mud? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty out here, isn't it? Pretty muddy. If you're keeping the bike clean, ripping through them puddles, you're splashing, dude. And it splashes like
I'm soaked.
everywhere. You're soaked?
Yeah.
We didn't have to drive all the way to Georgia to practice in the mud, did we? We did it out here in the yard in Ohio. So we're gonna go hit the turn track now, huh? We got the shifting down. It's first time on a 65. And
No? You remember when I kept it?
yeah, you rode it for 5 minutes at Kepner's. But yeah, it's first time really riding it, and he forgot how to shift and all that stuff, so.
Yeah. I think once in this race stretch, today, I might have got it to 6th gear.
6? It sounded like it. You were ripping.
Yeah. Once I'm pretty sure I got 5th or 6th gear.
Think you can start it? Is it a neutral?
Yeah.
It's not neutral. Get him first. It's not neutral, dude. You can touch the ground on it now. He grew a little bit when he had a broken leg. Good day to check out these 100% roll-offs. It's our first time practicing the roll-offs. Get ready for mud season. Good, dude. Figure out not to go in the first. Don't shift. How you feeling?
So? And Dad, you're right. When you keep your feet on the pegs, you get way more balance.
Really?
And you go right through it.
I'm so proud of you. You look really good out there. You figured out to keep it in the second too. I saw you shift into first a couple times, but when you kept it in second, you're so much smoother. You see, it's not so jerky, and you can walk. You look great, man.
It's way easier to go through these mud puddles and with your feet on the peg.
Feet on the peg, standing and or sitting, huh? Just being balanced is a trick.
Those tires looking very steep and slippery.
They're looking gnarly. We got a little river running around it. I took a bunch of dirt out of here to build our enduro cross section, and Got the drainage pretty decent. Drive on it. Yeah, I know. And then it runs on down the hill here. Right across in front of our jump.
So,
We're gonna put some drain tile in. Soaked?
yeah. When we made those ruts the other time when I was on my Cobra, we made them big because it was hard to get through.
I saw you hitting them, man. I saw a couple times big splashes.
That big one over there, that time when it just shut off on me because I couldn't really get through it.
Yeah. I sounded like you were in too high of a gear,
Yeah.
and you came to a stop.
I was probably in like third the first time when I came out here and hit the turn track and came through there.
Probably.
You don't want to be in a high gear when you go in water, like little creeks.
Sorry, FXR. We don't have the gear on because we were mudding today. We got the old hand-me-downs on, so don't kill us. Do one more little session. I want to get some videos of you hitting that back section back there. It's in gear. You don't hear it moving the engine?
I did a half click. I thought I stopped it.
You should be good. Here, move your hand. That's gonna be important for you to be able to do that when a lot of times you use your hand if you can't get it with your foot. Reach down and do it with your hand because you can feel it better. Looks like you're gonna need a pull off. Hold on. Hey, so we won those in a race, didn't we? Hey, try a second gear start. Shift into second, click it up, and give it more gas when you take off. More gas. It's not the cleanest running bike, but gets along pretty good in the mud. Yes. Down first. Shift it. Found it.